everyone, Dr. Norberg here from Savannah, Georgia. I'm here with my trusty sidekick Maddie, who's going to demonstrate some low back stretches today. So these stretches are especially good for people who have issues with their sciatic nerve. So we're going to be targeting the piriformis muscle as well as the gluteus medius muscle to help take the pressure off that sciatic nerve. So Maddie, I'm going to have you lay on the ground here for me. Okay, so I'm going to have you stretch both legs out, please. Good. And I want you to hug your right knee to your chest. Good. And we're just going to hold that for a good 20 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. And you can do that on both sides 2 times. Especially beneficial to do it when your muscles are warm. So when you just get out of the shower or after you've taken a walk. Okay, and now I'm going to have you hold your knee with your arm and then twist it sideways and then stretch your opposite arm out. Good, and you're going to kind of look towards your outstretched hand. So that just gives you a deeper stretch in that backside to help take the pressure off. Okay, very good. So I'm going to have you bend both knees up for me this time. I want you to take your right ankle and cross it over your left foot and then hug that left knee to your chest. Good. So again, keep in mind with all these stretches, I don't want you doing these stretches if they're hurting your low back. It is perfectly normal to feel some stretching in your backside, but I don't want you to feel it in your back at all. And if it's too hard to get flat on the floor to do this, feel free to do this on a bed. That's fine too. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to have you roll on your side and use your hands to sit yourself up, please. This is a proper way to get up off the floor again. I'm going to have you sit cross-legged. Okay, and really straighten that low back out, and then I'm going to have you lean forward. And you can walk your fingers down. Again, make sure that back is really straight, please. And again, you're just going to hold that for a good 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so you can go ahead and sit up, and this time uncross your legs and sit up nice and tall, and go ahead and walk your hands forward. And if you like, you can actually rest your forearms on the floor. And if you're having a hard time feeling a stretch in your low back, you can actually lean deeper in and rest your forehead on the ground. Me, I'm not that flexible. Maddie is gonna be like. So that comes in very handy for demonstrations like this. All right, you can sit up. Now, one thing to keep in mind with this particular stretch, if you have a knee issue, in particular if the outside of your knee is on the weak side, do not attempt this stretch because it will put too much pressure on your knee. Same thing with the stretch where you were on your back and had the leg crossed over and hugging it to your chest. Do not attempt that if you have a knee issue. Okay, very good. Just do not attempt that if you have a knee issue. Okay, very good. So, like I said, do this when your muscles are warm, either getting out of the shower or after a walk. Walking is excellent for the low back too, a good 20 minutes, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.